Got one more tie down behind the front wheel.
Make sure those wheel wells where the things around.
Yeah, I know. Alright, got them all off. Alright, you guys, we got the car running a little bit better. It was dieseling when it got warm. So we adjusted the carburetor and set the timing. Got the fans to where they're cutting on and off at the correct temperature. And also, you had a problem with the brake lights. Whenever you would hit the brake pedal, it would pop the main fuse for the brake light and courtesy lamp circuit. So we went in and traced down the wiring problem, found out it was inside this brand new column here. The wires were pinched, I guess, during assembly. Yeah, we got it all back together. Now the brake lights work. We have a few other little things we'll talk to them about fixing. And one of them's going to be the tachometer. The needle fell off. It's laying down on the inside of the gauge there.